So I've tried to duplicate the conditions of the last video. A few people commented that the transmission on this car was noisy, and it wasn't actually the gearbox, although the sound was transmitting up the prop shaft. It was actually the pinion bearing in its housing that was making a sort of very high-pitched metallic sound. And we've done all that and some other improvements. So I've duplicated the conditions exactly by having it open, even though it's quite a cold day. You'll notice the sound is totally different now. And I'm going to go down the same stretch of road and up to the same sort of speed, which was 45 miles an hour. The oil pressure gauge is showing, well, 100 psi. The engine's not properly warmed up yet, but that's really good. But she pulls well. So we're now up to, yeah, that's it, 45 miles an hour. And the other big thing that's different since the last time I brought it out, we've done some work on the steering box, and the steering's now a lot more precise. And we've also changed all the tyres. There was nothing wrong with the tread on them, but they were very old and hard, and crossply tyres tend to develop flats in them. So having bought a pretty expensive set of new crossply tyres with soft, supple rubber, the ride and the smoothness is vastly improved. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It's certainly a better car for the next owner than it was when we got it, and of course it's the only survivor in the world, so you know, why not make it the best that it can be.